To activate a contactless Barclays credit card, start by visiting the Barclays online banking website. Log in with your username and password. Then navigate to the section where your credit card accounts are displayed. Locate the specific credit card you want to activate for contactless payments and click on it to view the card's details. Select the activation option and proceed with the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once you've finished, you should receive confirmation that your credit card is now activated for contactless payments. Alternatively, you can contact customer care by calling the number found on the back of your credit card or on the Barclays website. Have your credit card details ready. Then follow the instructions to speak with a customer support agent. Request contactless activation and confirm the activation. By following these steps, you can easily activate your Barclays credit card for contactless payments.